Okay guys, Cardi here guys, attempting here now guys to do a quick fix on this TPT 1000/4 2 ohms. So this is a Timpano amplifier guys, and this is the 4 ohm version, and it says 2 ohm. Yes, it goes down to 2 ohm as you can see. It looks like that. That's the back view. This is the front view of it. Yes guys, so alright, so let's see what's going on here. So sometime with these guys I get lucky, and the reason why I say get lucky, I'm going to show you. I hope it's the same with this. I figure it's the same with this one. Not 100% sure, but I'm just taking a chance right here. Alright guys, so alright, so one of this, look, this colored the clamp down for the transistor over here, this one. So I figured out this one was running under some temperature. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video. Yeah, this one is kind of gold looking. Yeah, so normally I do what's this on this one, like something yellow. All right, I go around. All right, so I'm testing output from here. All right, that's, let me see if I'm doing it right. Gate, drain, source, drain and source, drain and source. That one seems to looks good. All right, that's output. Why am I going that way? This way. All right, this side is okay, but see, like this side got a lot of pressure. A lot of time they're like that. That's what happened. And this needs to be dusted out. The fan taking a lot of crap right now. And that one there. So alright, then you go here now. You go right. These 4 up here is output. And that. Alright. And that one now. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. Move to another one. Alright. Alright. And that's what the output must be, guys. One. Only one reading that way, guys. Sometimes when you have that case, guys, let me show you what happened. Sometimes there's a diode down here. The output, like this is in protection mode, guys. Sorry I didn't say that before. There's a diode here. Sometimes cause that to happen. Alright, those are good. Alright, I'm gonna have to get some of this. Cut away some of this silicone I have here, guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, some silicone there. Always I put some silicone there. Always on them. Always. So I have to clean away, guys, some silicone to see if I can get the reading on this here. Alright. Nothing there. Alright, maybe it's your output. Oh no, look at that, guys. Alright. So it's, so it happened to be the first diode here, with links to which one of them. See which one of these links to here. And this links to the number Q5 MOSFET, guys. Q5 MOSFET. It links to Q5 MOSFET. That's the one right here at the beginning, which is, oh, that is good for me. Let me plug this in and see if I can do a quick repair on it. Let's see, guys. You never know. I'm just attempting a quick repair, guys, as I told you before. So sometimes, you know. And this diode, guys, is the, let me see. Let me give it the number so I don't tell you any lie. It says ES3, ES3D, ES3D, but I'm going to use one of the, let me show you what I'm going to use, guys. So ES3D, guys, but I'm going to use the the U. Let me make sure I give you the number right, guys. Pull this out and tell you. Wow. It fell to the ground. Yeah, guys, coming a package looking like this here. All right, so this one is the. Which one is this? This is a U2D. U2D. Alright, so yes, this is a U2D. Alright, so yeah, this uses a lot of the bigger amplifier. The output like the 4-channel TS 1200/4, yeah. And the DS and some of those, yeah, it uses them for the tar amp I'm talking, guys, yeah. So definitely I'm gonna remove this and see if all is well. Oh, I have something to pick up this guy, but jeez. All right. I didn't know how much weight did turn earlier, guys, because I removed it without even look. Let me get this out of the wick here. But I'm going to show you a little trick. Or not a little trick, guys, just something that you should pay attention to a lot of time. So, guys, on the board, the part that turns to the white part, it's bright on this side here. So you won't make a mistake. You will see it brighter than the other side where they mark it around for the diode. Yeah, so if you take it out and you forget the way it was, yeah, that's one of the way you can figure it out. All right, so let me go here. Okay. Okay. Come on, sit properly. Aha, that's why I needed to sit. Let me get this now. You want to sit right to the circuit, guys, straight to the circuit, like it was from factory. All right. So this thing was in. So let me see, guys. I'm going to test this diode now and see if it's beeping anyway. All right, see that, guys? It stopped. So Q5 stop. All right. So let's put some in the tube, guys, and see if it pours on any at all. If it comes on any at all. What are these stuff calling? Hold on. A minute before I do that, clean this up a little. Man, this fan with a lot of crap. So that's one of the way, guys, with these amplifier, yeah. You can really give it a little quick fixing right there. And most likely, guys, anytime you get one with only one of the MOSFET reading, you know, that way, most likely something like this happen. When one of the MOSFET is shorting out, it means one of the diode down there gone bad. Yeah, one of the diodes, yeah, there is bad. All right, let me use all this alligator clip here because my remote, that's not gonna give me no justice right now. Use the alligator clip, the remote. Now, so I'm not gonna test any other, guys. I'm just gonna see if it comes out of protection mode. Just want to see if it comes out of the protection mode. Alright, so the light is right here. It's in red. Alright, so Green, blue now, guys. See that? That fan is loud. It's in blue. Look at that, guys. Nice. Right, it comes up. And I could, yeah, let me give it a little test. Doesn't hurt to just put the speaker right here and hook up at least one of the channel and just see what's going on. Yeah. So this gonna give me some problem now because this thing can't hold under these screws, guys, for one. And oh boy. Alright. So that kinda use my next hand to touch the thing. And this here, for this channel it be rare. It says, see which one over here is rare. Alright, this one. Okay, it's down. Alright, so let's see, guys. Let's see what goes on here now. See that, guys? Getting audio. Alright. So that's it, guys. Just a little quick fix, one of these diode, guys. Yes, guys, whenever you have one MOSFET shouting out in these amplifier, these do it. The Stetson, yes, they also do it the same thing, guys. And also Taram does the same thing. Yeah, whenever one of them bad, just always try checking those diodes down there if they're shouting out. And once you find one of the diodes shouting out, definitely it's the diode alone. It's not the output. Okay, guys. So yes, please like, subscribe if you like what this, you guys, and go ahead and call the guys out for now. That was a quick fix as I predicted, guys. All right, enough respect.